What's good, Machine World? It's Deebo Mac. It's a beautiful day outside. I'm in here trying to bang some beats out. I got some catch up to do. I haven't been making too many beats lately, so I'm trying to fix that right now. Working on a little something. I'll let you hear probably 30-40 seconds of it. I already pieced the vast majority of everything together. It's not too much. Simple is always better than me. So check it out. Alright, that was a little more than I said it was going to be, but whatever, you know what I'm saying? Machine life. Holla at me.